So today we're in Keswick, which is in the north of the Lake District, and I'll show you what we're doing. We've got this property in front of us. And you can see there's quite a lot of staining up above. Pink. So really bad up this area here. And then up there. To all this area. And the homeowner said that her brother actually built the property, and he thought that the staining was iron coming out of the render. We explained that it's actually an algae. Once treated, it won't come back for a good few years. We've also got this front wall to do. So there's quite a lot going on in this. This is 20 pilia, the pink. There's algae produced in the bottoms. So let's see how we get on with this one. So we've finished this property now, and we've put a biocide on the outside wall. You can see that reacting, actually still reacting. But the in-house, you can see that's really cleaned up very well. It will get better as it fully dries out. any staining. So this is still working here. This is a biocide that we leave on, and you can see how it's reacting down here. It's gone bright pink, and that will clear over the coming days and weeks. Good. There. So, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.